Did you ever wonder what will happen if you will send your cryptocurrency to a wrong network? For example, you send mistakenly your BNB coins to Ethereum address or vice versa. What will happen? Will the transaction go through? Well, it should. But what will happen after? Will you be able to recover those coins? Will you be able to withdraw them and send them again? But what if the wallet does not support that coin? So what will happen then? For example, blockchain wallet, it does not support BNB coin. So what will happen then? So today I'm gonna do is to find out. I will send BNB coin to Ethereum address in blockchain wallet, and let's see if we will be able to recover it. Okay, let's go through. So I have here blockchain wallet. You can see my coin here, no coins available at the moment. What I did, I sent coin to Ethereum wallet address here, which cannot be seen at the moment. So this is Ethereum wallet address. I'll just copy and I'll show you it. This is my BNB scan. So you can see I have one BNB here, but obviously blockchain wallet does not support BNB coin, so it is not available here. So I'm just going to recover it. So for that, first of all, we need private key of blockchain wallet, actually the seed phrase. So we will need that. So you can get from here. Okay, so this is all these words, 12 words. You need to copy it. I have already copied here. So what I'm gonna do is I will just copy all these words, and I will visit a website which is iancoleman.io/BIP39, and here I will paste my mnemonic phrase. Here make sure that when you are pasting your seed phrase, so the internet must be off, which at the moment is not offline, because I know this site is authentic and I'm just gonna move the coins quickly. So as soon you will move, so you will see the lot of keys here. What you have to do is click on the coin, which is Bitcoin by default, and you have to search for Binance Smart Chain, which is BSC, because this is BNB, so definitely. And here we see another thing, that what is the wallet address, and as you can see, this is the wallet address. So I will just go to I'll scroll up and I'll search for my wallet address. So as you can see, 0xA, so this is on the top, and the very first one, this is public key and this is private key. So I'll just copy the private key here. And the third thing I'm gonna do is I need to install a MetaMask wallet, and just install, and I have not backup this. So first, after the installation on my Chrome browser, you can use your mobile as well. So I will just add network and BSC mainnet. I'll approve that, and this will switch to BNB. As you can see, there is no current token here. So I will click on this icon and import account. Here private key, and I will paste the private key which I just copied from that option and that page. I will import it, and you can see my one BNB here. So now I'm gonna do is I'll just click on send. I have another wallet address where I want to send. Just copy that wallet address and send it, and I'll use the maximum amount because I want to send maximum. Next, and confirm. And okay, this is just a backup sign because I have. Okay, so this, as you can see, let me show you on the same wallet which we have searched before. Okay, as you can see, I just 16 seconds ago, before it was in this, and as you can see here, it is same, no activity in the blockchain wallet actually. So that was complete tutorial how you can recover your coins. So this is not just limited to BNB or Ethereum, it could be any coin and any network. it could be tokens as well, for example USDT token or any other. So if you want to recover any coin and you're not confident enough, or you are still having some difficulty, you can contact us with, of course, small fees, and we'll able to help you. The link will be in the description. Please like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.